morning, guys. It is officially Vlogmas day 5. It's very sunny out. I have to put these sunglasses on. But I have a lot to do today. I honestly feel like I had a whole day already. I had some of the tiles in our bathroom coming up, so we had a guy come and fix it. But he ended up redoing the whole floor, which looks amazing. I wish they would do all the floors in our apartment. I want to ask about that and see how we can get them to do that. But right now, I'm gonna head probably to the post office and then to the bank, to my mom's house. I have to do so much today. I have to return 2 items to garage, but I have to go to the post office and return them. I have to stop at the bank. I have to go to my mom's to pick up a bunch of packages, which I thought I sent a lot to my apartment, but apparently I sent a lot to my mom's house. I don't know how I did that. I have to go grocery shopping because I'm making a chili tonight. I finally decided. If you saw my vlog yesterday, I was deciding between a lasagna soup and a chili. Really, I'll have both ingredients today once I'm done shopping, but I'm gonna make a chili. I feel like my fiance will definitely like a chili better today, even though she's kind of sick still. I mean, she's pretty sick. So I was like, I'm sure you don't want a chili. She's like, why wouldn't I want a chili? I'm like, all right, we'll have a girl that loves my chili. That's great. While the guy was doing the floors, I was creating bookmarks on Canva. I was gonna record the whole experience, but honestly, I didn't feel like getting my laptop out and doing it on my laptop and then recording on my phone. I just needed like a slower morning because I knew I had so many things to do in the daytime, and I worked really hard on them and I'm really happy with them. I only created, I think, 5 or 6 of them, and then 3 different colors of 2 of them. Just a little holiday collection of bookmarks. I'm working on doing digital downloads because I feel like those would be really pretty as like backgrounds and wallpapers. But for now, they are bookmarks and I am so excited to share them with you guys. I am so hungry. All I ate was a yogurt at 8:30, maybe 9 a.m. this morning. So I'm gonna stop at Starbucks, grab a quick snack, and I'm just not gonna lie, I'm not in the mood to do any of these things today. So if you want a super motivational video, I don't know if you're gonna get it today from me, but at the same time, I am gonna accomplish a lot, so maybe this will help certain people. My friends and I were just having a discussion the other day about how social media can be so fake and how people just put on such a front and like they're so happy and everything's going great in their lives, when really it's all the behind the scenes could be horrible things going on, and you just put a front for the camera because obviously who wants to share their bad days, you know? Not everybody wants to do that. But I'm gonna share this today because I'm having a bad mental day, but I'm getting a lot of things accomplished and that'll make me feel better at the end of the day. Once I'm home and making my chili, I'm gonna be so content, so happy I got everything done. So first thing on the list is stop at Starbucks. Hi, can I please do a tall chestnut praline latte, please? No thank you. Can I please do you have any tomato mozzarella paninis left? Okay, I'll take one of those and then that'll be all. Thank you. If you guys watched my Vlogmas from the other day, I think it was Vlogmas day 1, I came to Starbucks and there was a crazy line. I think I was waiting here for 30 minutes. It was the day that I got my ring sized, and that was a whole crazy ordeal too. But today, I'm so excited. They have the chestnut praline latte back. I really thought they weren't gonna bring it back. Part of me was like, I don't think they brought it back the second all the seasonal items were back last year. I think I had this freak out last year as well, but they actually have it now. So I do remember, I have to just stop freaking out because I have to just trust myself, because last year I know they brought it back a little later. I just had to realize that they were gonna bring it back a little later this year. I kept looking on Google and it was like, yeah, it's coming back. So excited. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Okay, next stop, bank, and then my mom's house. I'm gonna stop recording. Okay, I got tons of groceries. All this, and it was under $99 because, or under $100 because I got all like bowl and basket stuff. I didn't get all the name brand, which was great. See, you gotta know how to shop in this economy. You really do. Everything's like bowl and basket. But now, like I knew, I feel better about myself. I got everything done on my to-do list. And now I'm just gonna go home, and it's only like 3 o'clock, I think, but I might start the chili now because I'm hungry. But the one thing I did not get, tortilla chips. I definitely don't have any at home. That's always the one thing I forget. It's okay. We don't need the tortilla chips. It just, sometimes it makes it, but it's okay. Stopping at Target real quick to get the chips and sour cream. Okay, so like I said, I spent like $91 at ShopRite and then $13 at Target just now. So I got these Good & Gather organic tortilla chips. And I honestly just couldn't resist this because they make a lot of banana bread. And I thought this would be so cute to bake it in. I got the Good & Gather sour cream. And then I got this Flav City chocolate protein. Try it. Collagen, cocoa, banana, coconut, adaptogens. I'm not sure what that means. I got 2 Evolution drinks. One is the organic green devotion. The other one's the organic berry defense up. I got bananas. This is the banana they gave me from Panera the other day. Like, what is this? Got ginger. Put in some tea. Vegetable broth. These crackers are the best with hummus. So good. I got 2 poblano peppers because I like to do poblano peppers and black beans and salsa verde with tortillas. I like to do like little, I don't remember what they were called. It was like a HelloFresh meal. Flautas. That's what it was. So good. I got a red pepper for the chili. No, I gotta have my poppies. These are my favorite drinks ever. I got sourdough bread, my favorite bread. I got green beans because who doesn't love green beans? Do salmon, green beans, and mashed potatoes. I got 2 soups, 1 tomato bisque and 1 broccoli cheddar. I always get the unbleached flour by Bowl and Basket. I got more garlic because we were running out. Bacon, as I call it. Fake, like veggie bacon. And I got this chili seasoning. Got it last time and it made it taste delicious. I just don't have all the seasonings. I don't have room to buy all the seasonings. These potatoes with the peppers and onions are delicious. I'll put these in a little pan of like a cupcake tray, and then I'll do these and then eggs that are like battered. Put the seasonings in there, batter them out, and then pour that on top, and then it bakes into little tiny muffins. Unsalted butter for my banana bread. I got these cute black bean and plantain balls. It says Cuban style. They look delicious. I could put them over rice. So good. I got 2 cans of tomato sauce. I got the Bowl and Basket. They were 99 cents each. And then these Morningstar little vegetarian sausage patties are delicious. I got 2 cans of Bowl and Basket tomato basil sauce. I think these were like $1.29 each, if I'm not wrong. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And that's all I got for food. I'm gonna start putting all the stuff away, and then I'm gonna keep out the ingredients I need for the chili. So we have literally like the tiniest bit of garlic left. I wanted to show you guys the nice ornaments my mom got. So this one's of our black and white tuxedo, Benji. So cute. And then this one's of our little orange tabby, Mac. And he has a lot of white on his face and paws and chest. So cute. Looks just like him. I want to put all of our nice ornaments right in the front. It's Benji. And then we could put, I can go right here beneath Benji. Just you right there. Just you. Is that you? I think there's only 1 pad here. Okay, so they're coming to do the floors today. These are the floors before. I don't know what they're going to do. If they're going to do something totally different or just replace these tiles that are coming up. Okay, here are our new floors. Obviously, we have to mop it because he was walking in here from outside.